It's 662.
Yeah, so remember I have the VMP, the Odin, still on 93 pump, still got the works. Got an ice tank, not too special, long tube headers. So right now I'll be putting on these front Baer Brakes that I got off Facebook Marketplace. Yeah, so I'll be taking these stock components off and installing those brakes today to add on to the car. See, I got my V locks on, so get ready for Ford takeover and later on this week. So yeah, you got to stick around. Still got my other baby over here. Haven't done any mods to this. Hopefully soon I will, but we'll see. Okay guys, so to start off, we got the tire off, got it all jacked up. So the easiest way to do this, I believe, is take your brake line off, which I already got it off. There's a 13 millimeter. It will drip some, but yeah, take that brake line off. And it's two knuckle bolts here. They are 15 millimeters. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. There's one up top, and there's also one down here at the bottom. Right here's a 15, and you break those, take them off, and this whole brake caliper will come off. Okay, we got it out. Like I said, there's two knuckle bolts here that you can see it clearly. One right here, 15 millimeter bolt, and another 15 right here, and it comes right off. Yeah, guys, this thing right here is major difference in size. Look at that thing. Major difference. All right, gonna bolt it right back up, going back up the same way. Those two 15 millimeter bolts, you put Loctite on them, bolt them back in, but first put your rotor on, and that'll be it. Of course, I'm gonna put some brakes in, but yeah, that'll be it. Okay, guys, basically got everything wrapped up. Like I said, it goes back on the same way it comes off. Goes on a lot easier. Just got a little brake fluid drip down, but those things look nice. So I'm gonna top back off my brake fluid reservoir and put the wheels on, and let's see how it looks. Well, guys, finally got the install done. There's that baby there. I got to do some more detailing and get ready for Ford takeover this week on Friday and Saturday, the 11th, the 10th and the 11th of this month. But yeah, been doing some details, doing some finishing touches on it. Like I said, I still have the DT R spoiler, but I like this wicker bill with the PP1 wing a lot better, in my opinion. Like I said, I got some more stickers for horsepower. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's about 100 horsepower right there. It's about 100. Stickers add about at least 20 to 25 horsepower, depending how big the sticker is. That's a little secret that they don't tell you guys. Yeah, but look, check these brakes out. Pretty soon, like I said, these are just the fronts. They look killer. I really love the look. I really love it. And it saves a lot of weight also. Pretty soon, in like a few weeks, I'm going to get the matching rears. The rear Baer Brakes. Same color. I think I'm gonna change my badge up. Go with some teal in it to kind of match the brakes. I was thinking about repainting those brakes, but I really like that color. So I really love that color. It looks good. on it. Well, guys, that wraps it up. I got to do some engine cleaning under here. It's kind of dusty from sitting up for a while, so I'm gonna detail it, get ready to take this thing to Ford takeover. So yeah, catch you guys next time, and remember to like and subscribe. All right, guys.